That's where the stronger wind comes in. So lake effect definitely concerning those folks north of I-80. And then to the south into higher elevated areas, Garrett County, Maryland, Preston County in West Virginia, winter storm warnings until 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Those higher elevations, especially above 2,000 feet, really could get dumped on here over the next 8 to 10 hours. We do have some snow bands moving right across Allegheny County. You can see some brighter whites indicating some heavier snowfall. Snowburst working your way over towards Mars, Cranberry, southern part of Butler County, sliding down into Allegheny County, over towards Beaver, around Beaver Falls, Monaca, Aliquippa, all reporting visibility somewhere around 2 miles. The Golden Triangle, light snow coming down. You'll notice the difference because this is lake effect snow, so it's going to be a bit and lighter than what we just had with that storm system pulling out of the Midwest. Seeing another little storm burst. We'll take over to Greensburg. We are in Westmoreland County, over toward West Newton, and down towards Smith, and also seeing some whiteout conditions at times. There's our area low pressure. There's our
tonight I'm fighting to see sunlight.